Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Yes, my peeps. I do a small cookout vlog today, Some the Jamaica national dish, ackee and saltfish, boiled banana, boiled dumpling, and yam. I start put the food them in a pot already, so I'm going to show you a little bit of what go on. Yes, stay tuned. Yeah, food them then in a pot, You have yam, dumpling, banana. I'm going to put in the banana them now, guys. See, ackee pot here, peeps. See, saltfish and ackee. Yeah. Pot I run over, guys. Have you tasted ackee them very soft, people? Still can boil a little more, my peeps. Yes, some peeps, man. Give you pot a little. Take off him first, I just send a boil over. Nice, man. Yes, my peeps. Thanks for the support, love, the joy you bring to my channel. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing all of these things, you know. And me I do YouTube for the love and the fun, so I at least can achieve something of it. So thanks for the love and the support from you guys so far. Road to 1000k. This is a lot. We have a big fight to reach here, but I know how to be around. We have to support each other content channel. Same as how I want my channel grow. We don't want other person channel grow to as much. Yeah. Yes, some peeps. Leave your pot on the fire. Yes, some peeps. Here with you again, you know. Leave your pot on the fire and go save me. Get any sweet pepper for fire shop, you know. Yeah. Bunny moon. Yes, man. So, chat along with me on the journey, you know. Goat a choke. And the goat may sick. Yes, some peeps. Ah! Oh, he bought my foot, guys. Nah, penetrate. Yeah. Bright sunny day, you know. Yeah. Chat along with me on the journey. And we see again. Thanks for each and everyone. I give a shout out to my channel who support my channel so far. Thanks to all the subscribers, the viewers, the comments. I really do appreciate it a lot, you know. Yeah. So next May. So next one. Yeah man, May. A huge shout out Godfrey Osborne, DJ's Wicked Vlogs. For only more shout out to do to other else people, you know. But I'm go get the name them set down, cause to tell you the truth guys, and I really remember the whole of the name in the if you just start say. But when I go back to look on some of the video them like, comment and share. My next vlog I will shout out. I go and shout out in my video, you know? Yeah. Yes, my peeps. I get my sweet pepper when I get Skelly on time. Yes. Kelly on time, my peeps. No sweet pepper, no carrot. So we are gonna work with what we have and make it nice. Yeah. Try back through the little scheme, you know? You wanna put the boil over this stove, you know? Dee-dee-dee. I don't know what is this, peeps. Cinnamon leaf, as I tell you in my last video. Yeah. Drink a cup of cinnamon tea and you have a nice slice of baked pudding, potato pudding. Yeah. Me. Cut out the top of the apple tree. Yes, it eats. You have a scallion. Clean it up. Water same time. Clean off the outer ear layer. You get it well clean up, with time. More than that. Pepper. Tomato. We have the onion. We have the garlic. We have the ginger. Next piece of garlic. Start cut them up now. The onion. I'll cut up the scallion and pan it now, guys. red pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, green scotch bonnet pepper. You have a tomato, guys. Yeah, add with thyme now. You add with garlic. 2 peg of garlic. Ginger. See them peeps. Season them seeds up.